Breaking Bad Habits, a step-by-step guide. Breaking bad habits is a challenging but essential process for personal growth. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you. Self-reflection. Identify the habit you want to break and understand its triggers and consequences. Set clear goals. Define what you want to achieve by breaking the habit and set specific, measurable goals. Replace with positive habits. Identify healthier habits to replace the bad one. Focus on actions that serve your goals. Plan for triggers. Develop strategies to cope with triggers that lead to the bad habit. Create a plan to redirect your actions when triggered. Monitor and track. Keep a record of when the habit occurs and under what circumstances. This helps you become more aware. Seek support. Share your goals with friends or a support group. Accountability can be a powerful motivator. Practice mindfulness. Use mindfulness techniques to become more aware of your impulses and cravings related to the habit. Positive reinforcement. Reward yourself when you successfully avoid the bad habit. Celebrate small victories along the way. Stay persistent. Breaking a bad habit may involve setbacks. Don't be discouraged. Stay persistent and keep working towards your goal. Professional help. If the habit is particularly challenging to break, consider seeking assistance from a therapist or counselor. They can provide valuable strategies and support.